What's up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. I am Drinking a Pretty Weirdo, and this is Pretty Weirdo's Fashion, where we focus on affordable fashion, travel, and lifestyle. Y'all, so today I am back at Savers. I don't have anything that I really want to find. I know I need belts and I know I need sweaters, but we're just gonna let the goods come to us. So we're manifesting good things that are gonna come to us. So you guys, make sure you guys stay tuned for this thrift haul.
She back again with another vid, another style guaranteed to keep you looking fine. Get a lot with a little, drinker can keep you simple. One of a kind, vintage pieces all come from a mental. Original is what this queen Willie brings. Different things, classy and feminine vibes for your eyes. Subscribe, 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 follow along for tips. Pretty weirdo in business, she gon' have you looking lit. Fashion and beauty mixed with a little traveling. It's one channel for all you should be following. So subscribe, follow along for tips. Pretty weirdo in business, she gon' have you looking lit. She back again with another vid, another style guaranteed to keep you looking fine. Get a lot with a little, drinker can keep you simple. One of a kind, vintage pieces all come from a mental. Original is what this queen Willie brings. Different things, classy and feminine vibes for your eyes.
Okay, you guys, so this is my cart so far. Let me walk around. Like, I found some gems. Oh my God.
Subscribe, 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 follow along for tips. Pretty weirdo in business, she gon' have you looking lit. Fashion and beauty mixed with a little traveling. It's one channel for all you should be following. So subscribe.
This is my cart. And I forgot my tripod, so we're gonna have to do this. I don't know. We're gonna figure out a way to do this. So let's get into it. Come to the thrift store and make sure I have on something comfortable, because I like to shop comfortable, and this is so much stuff. So today I have on some jogging pants, some retro ones, my church hoodie, and some hoop earrings. Kept it simple. I also have on my jacket that my job gave me. So this is the look for thrifting. You always want to have something comfortable so you can withstand being in here, and lightweight stuff always helps. So let's get into it. I was trying on this, but because I have on these sweatpants, it would not go over my butt. I thought it was cute, but I'm gonna leave it here, and it was only $3.50. So the next thing is gonna be this skirt. I'm gonna try to see how it looks on and then go from there. So let's see. So this is how the skirt looks on. I think it's cute. I don't know if I'm gonna get it or not. Looks really good. I know I can style this with some combat boots. I can style this with some gym shoes. I can also style this with like a bodysuit or one arm number. We can do a thick sweater because it is sweater weather. And yeah, so I know a couple things that I can style this with. It's just a matter of figuring out if I'm gonna get it, if it's gonna enhance my wardrobe or not. So we gotta see. Is the next look is also a skirt, some pleated, some straight, sorry, but some pleated, some straight. So let's look at it. This is how the skirt looks on. I like it. I like like it. I can wear this to work and to play. And I like it because it's just a wrap skirt. So these two buttons are what hold it together. So. Yep, let's see if I get this one. This is the next skirt. It's a pleated number. And y'all know I love pleats. I've been looking for one since I had to replace my gold one that I had. So let's try this one on. Okay, so this is the skirt on. Look at this. Look at this skirt. Y'all, this is a contender. This is a contender. I'm loving it. So I found this number. It has a little wear and tear, like some pulls, but that's nothing. All love. This is a hockey jersey, and it is from the Blackhawks. Yes. And I don't know who the player number 20 is. Sad. But let's try this on. This is it on. This is in the men's section. It's a size large. And this will be fire with some camo pants. Oh my God, I can see that. I can really see that. Mind blown. Okay. But yeah. I found this jacket. Oh my God, y'all. Y'all, it's $12.49. I'm gonna try it on for y'all. That's how it looks. It's way too big in the waist. I love that the arms are big because for some reason I just like my arms big. But I could definitely use some taper with this to take it in some. Oh yeah, y'all. And it's warm, so it's really thick. But I have this color, so I don't know if I should get it. But it's longer and it's thinner, so I don't know. So I found this. I believe that it's a planter. Like you put plants in it, but I think it would be dope as a purse. So let me give y'all, let me show you how I wear it. So I fixed that strap. And I was just like, I can add some chains and stuff to it to give it another texture, give it some more dimension. Yeah, I'm loving it. What y'all think? Okay, y'all, so I found this, I don't know if this is a blanket. I don't know what it is, but the color dynamic of it is amazing. It's like a green or sage and tan. So let me show you what I would do with this. So, you know the holes, I just stuck my hand and inside of the holes, I will turn this into a cardigan. It's a bit long, so I'll probably take it to somebody that can make it like, I don't know, tighter, or maybe I can play with it myself. But, you know, this would be so dope. This would be so dope. I can see me wearing this. I'm getting it. So this is a quilt, and I've been looking for something because I saw somebody turn a quilt into a cardigan or a jacket. So I would do that with this. Like, but I got something that I would add. Hold on. What I would do is I would add this into it and to incorporate the yellow, because I originally wanted this, but it's not big enough. So let me show y'all that. But I think these two together could do some damage. So let me see. This is what I mean. It's not as long as I would like it to be. Like, it's cool, but I don't know. Like, I definitely have to get it though, because I've been looking for something like this. I don't know if I should add the yellow to this. I don't know, let's see it together. So I found this. I think it's really cute. It's just too tight for me, but it would be cute for somebody. Look at, like, you look like a rich auntie. Yes. Look at this, y'all. Child. This would never go out of style. dress it up, dress it down. This is dope. Y'all, look at this. Look. Like, look at this. Look. I even tied the belt. Like, oh my God, I wish y'all can. Like, this camera is doing this no justice. None. Right. Y'all, tell me I don't look like somebody rich ass auntie. The fuck? Like, y'all, look at the gold buttons. And then it comes with this belt. Let me put the belt on for y'all. Like, look at this. See what I mean? Look. I died. I fucking died. The only thing this is missing is a belt. So I will have to definitely get this taken in. But I died, literally. If y'all can see the material, it's like suede right here and then satin. I died. I came in for sweaters and this is what I got. This is the only sweater that I purchased, or picked up rather. So let's try it on. Let's focus. Okay, so this is the sweater. It's a pretty basic sweater. Long enough for me to do some thigh-high boots with it. And a leather jacket. Awesome jeans.